Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. It has been a long time since I did a facial, so I thought I'll treat myself to a vitamin C facial. The base for this vitamin C facial are fresh oranges. Vitamin C facial brightens skin instantly, and it also helps fade scars and blemishes, removes blackheads and whiteheads, and helps us achieve an even skin tone very effectively. This facial consists of 4 steps. First is an antibacterial steam with fresh herbs, which helps open up clogged pores. The second step is a deep cleansing scrub that helps remove blackheads and whiteheads. The third step is a gentle massage with homemade orange gel that helps hydrate and nourish the skin. And the final step is a skin brightening face pack that gives an instant glow to our skin. Choose a relaxing day to do this facial, and trust me, it will not only brighten your skin, it will also help reduce your stress levels greatly. For the steam, collect a handful of fresh neem leaves. After squeezing the oranges, don't discard the peels. Take them in a bowl. Add in the neem leaves too. Finally, add in hot water. Now steam your face, covered with a thick towel, till the water loses its heat. Don't skip this step, especially if you are suffering from clogged pores. For the scrub, take a tablespoon of rice flour in a bowl. Add in a teaspoon of unprocessed raw honey to it. Finally, add in enough orange juice to form a smooth paste. Now mix well with a spoon. Rice flour exfoliates the skin very gently. Honey and orange juice also helps cleanse the skin well without causing any skin dryness. To use, after steaming, take this paste and apply all over the face and neck. Massage for a minute gently using upward strokes. Pay particular attention to the nose area where the blackheads and whiteheads are usually found. Don't forget the neck too. This scrub will help lighten dark neck. After massaging for a minute, wash it off and pat dry. For the massage gel, take a tablespoon of either aloe vera gel or flaxseed gel in a bowl. Now add in a teaspoon of fresh orange juice. Mix well with a spoon until you get a smooth gel. To use, take this gel and massage it all over the face and neck for a few minutes gently. This gel can be used under eyes too, but make sure to be very gentle when massaging under eyes. This gel hydrates the skin very well. I'll leave the video link for making flaxseed gel in the description box below. For the face pack, take 1½ teaspoons of orange peel powder in a bowl. Add an equal amount of licorice powder too. Finally, add in fresh orange juice to mix. Now mix well till you have a smooth paste that is free of any lumps. To use, after using the orange gel, wash your face and pat dry. Now take this paste and apply it all over the face and neck. Wait for it to almost dry and then wash it off. Licorice powder and orange peel have wonderful skin brightening properties, and they're also excellent for fading blemishes. This pack also can be used separately weekly, twice or thrice regularly. Once the face pack dries, wash your face. You'll be amazed at how smooth and glowing your skin is after this facial. Before doing the facial, I lighted a scented beeswax candle that I had at home. Played soft music, and this facial not only made my skin glow, it also completely melted my stress away. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.